In this tutorial, I'll show you how to clone your voice for faceless YouTube videos and e-learning projects. So first, you have to subscribe to one of the paid plans before you can do this, because when you check right here, clone, under the starter plan, you cannot clone your voice with the free plan. All right, let's go back, and I'll drop the link in the description box in case you don't have an account. It's easy to sign up, and depending on the time you'll be watching this, the dashboard might change, but the difference wouldn't be much. All right, so to clone your voice, click voices and then click on add new voice, click on instant voice clone. Now you need to name it, so I'll say, all right, so I'll name it JM. Click to upload the file or drag and drop it here. So it could be audio or video file up to 10 megabytes each, but I'll advise you convert your video to audio, which is what I've done. I have my file and I'll drop it here. As you can tell, it's 6.3 and this is about 6 minutes video. Anything more than 5 megabytes is good, but you can upload from 1 megabyte to 10, but the longer or the larger the size, the better. So I'll play a little bit just so you know what we're dealing with. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use ElevenLabs for free. Also, I'll walk you through the pricing so you can make an informed decision. All right, so I tried stopping the audio, but it wasn't stopping, so I have to reload the page. I'll upload my file again, drop it here. So this time around, I'm not gonna play it because you know how. And I don't know why they don't have a stop button, because they have the play, so they should have the stop button. I don't know why they don't have it, but anyhow, they'll get better as time goes on. And it's always good to click remove background noise, but in this video I don't have background noise, so I'm not gonna click on it. But please record audios using your phone. That's the best. Okay, all right, so let's keep moving. Labels, click on the plus sign to label. So accent, English, and the value, I would say African. I'm an African, but I want it to give me a clear English tone. So description, I would say African American male voice. All right, so something like this, and make sure you check out this. I hereby confirm that I have all necessary rights or consent to upload and clone this voice sample, and that I will not use the platform generated content for any illegal, fraudulent or harmful purpose. The voice agreement, so check it, then scroll down, then click add voice. Let's see. All right, so it's doing its thing, and I'll see it. It shouldn't take long. All right, it's done. You can search it from here or go to personal. So there it is. If not, you can just type to search it, but I don't want to. You go to personal and the voices you've created will show up here, and this is it. So I'll click on it or click use. All right, so now to test it, you have to drop a text here, convert it into audio, and please don't add too much text. If not, it's gonna deduct a lot of credits from your balance. This is my balance so far. So let's convert it and see. Generate speech, and it's gonna play automatically. So let's see.
Learning and becoming a content creator empowers you to share your unique voice, build a personal brand, and reach a global audience.
All right, so now I need to play with the settings just so I'll get the exact voice delivery that I'm looking forward to. It sounds a bit like AI, so I'm gonna adjust the voice in the settings. Scroll down. Stability is 50% and similarity is 75. This is what I'll do. I'll reduce anything below 30% is not good. So let's see. It says under 30% may lead to instability, so it's not good. So you have to start. And I think 33, 34 is okay for me because I tried before. And right here, I'll reduce to, let me see. Here they don't say anything, but over here between 50 to 55 is okay. So let me do, let's say 54, and over here is 34, or let's say 35. I'll put 35. And right here 54 or 55. All right, so let me regenerate.
Learning and becoming a content creator empowers you to share your unique voice, build a personal brand, and reach a global audience.
You see, this sounds like me, but a bit too fast. So let me try and do some adjustment right here. I'll drop this to 10 and this, let's say 55. Let's see.
Learning and becoming a content creator empowers you to share your unique voice, build a personal brand, and reach a global audience.
You just have to play with it. And right now you can tell this sounds a bit like me in terms of speed. All right, but the quality, trust me, this is top notch, man.
Learning and becoming a content creator empowers you to share your unique voice, build a personal brand, and reach a global audience.
The ElevenLabs AI is the best. They have the best voiceover software. To download, just click on download right here, and it's gonna show up here. Play it just so you can hear it live out of ElevenLabs dashboard.
Learning and becoming a content creator empowers you to share your unique voice, build a personal brand, and reach a global audience.
Alright, if you don't have an account, I'll drop the link in the description box. Please click on it and sign up. And also don't forget to comment and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.